Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to teach you some useful French verbs with their English meanings which are starting with letter A. In the first column you can see verbs are written with their English meanings, and in the second column past form of that verb is given. In the third column it is shown that how do we add ing to that verb in French language. So let's start. First verb is aimer, and the meaning is to love. Past is aimer, and aimons. Next is appeler, meaning is to call. Appeler, and appelons. Next is apprécier, meaning is to appreciate. Past apprécier, and apprécions. Next is ajouter, meaning is to add. Past ajouter, and ajoutons. Next is agir, meaning is to act. Past is agis, and agissons. Next is aller, meaning is to go. Past form aller, and allons. Next is avoir, past form eu. Next is ayons. Next is apprendre, meaning is to learn. Next is appris, apprenons. Next one, amener, meaning is to bring or to lead. Past form amener, and amenons. Next is amuser, meaning is to entertain. Past form amuser and amusons. Next is apparaître, meaning is to appear. Past form apparu, and apparition. Next is apporter, meaning is to bring. Past form apporter, and apportons. Next is approuver, meaning is to approve. Past form approuver, and approuvons. Next is arrêter, past form arrêter, and arrêtons. Next is attendre, meaning is to wait. Past form attendu, and attendons. Next is attraper, meaning is to catch. Past form attraper, and attrapons. Next is aider, meaning is to help. Past form aider, and aidons. Next is acheter, meaning is to buy. Past form acheter, and achetons. Next is accepter, meaning is to accept. And past form accepter, and acceptons. Next is écraser, meaning is to annoy. Past form écraser, and écrasons. Next is acquérir, meaning is to acquire. Past form acquis, and accueillir. Next is achever, meaning is to achieve, past form ashwe, ashwe, and ashwo, ashwo, ashwo. Next is accuse, accuse, meaning is to accuse, past form accuse, accuse, and accusons, accusons. Next is accueillir, accueillir, meaning is to greet, past form accueillir, accueillir, and accueillons, accueillons. Next is accroître, accroître, meaning is to increase, accrue, accrue is the past form, and accroître, accroître. Thanks for watching.